Alright friends, let's talk about margin and padding in Tailwind CSS. At first glance, the documentation may look complicated. Look at the documentation. Here, margin and padding. In Tailwind, M stands for margin and P stands for padding. When we use prefixes like MS, it means margin start. I come here. When I use MT, it means margin top. It's same in padding. P represents padding. The main difference is padding adds space between the content and the border. Margin adds space between elements. So let's do it. I come here in my project. Let's delete this capitalize. Let's delete it. Okay. I have already padding as you see. P5. So let's inspect the element. I come here, I inspect it. So, as you see, I come over div tag. As you see, the green one is padding. It gives space between content and the border. If I give margin, for example, I come here, I say M5. I save it. If I give margin, I refresh it. As you see, the orange one is the margin. It gives the space between elements. So it starts from the border and it continues until the next element. For example, if I give margin left, it starts from the border and it gives the space to the left. I hope you understand it. It's easy, right? So let's do it. I come here, I say instead of M5, I say MC, margin start. MC2, for example, I save it, I refresh, you see, MC2 gives this orange one. It gives margin left. MC, margin start, gives margin left in CSS. Okay, I change it. If I give ME, it means margin end, ME2, for example, I save it, I refresh, you see, the orange one is this, ME2. If I want to add horizontal margin, I can use MX. For example, MX2 gives margin start and margin end values. You see, the orange one is our margin. For centering blocks horizontally, I can use MX Auto. If I use MX Auto, I can, as you see, I can center horizontally. This space and this space equals each other. I can decrease the width of this div. For example, I can say v1/2. It means width 50%. Okay, I save it and then I refresh. You see, it's centered horizontally. This space and this space is equal each other. If I want to add horizontal padding, what I need to do, I use px. For example, px5. I come here, I refresh. You see, I inspect the element. So you see, the green one is our padding. I can control from here. I come here and I choose div, and the padding is this. You see 20 and 20. 20 pixel and 20 pixel. I give this padding. And then this is border. And then I give this margin values. Okay. So for giving vertical padding, what I need to do, I can use py keyword. For example, py2. I save it. I refresh. You see, I come here. The little space, the little green spaces is py2. As you see, it gives 8 pixels from the top and from the bottom. I hope you understand it. Okay, great. We will use margin and padding lots of the times in our project. See you in the next lesson.